Hey everyone, it's Mr. Canfield and most of my voice. Today we are looking at Wild Wonders Amusement Park. Let's see. Use a map of the amusement park to answer the questions below. Assume that you always take the shortest, most direct route between attractions. Each unit on the grid represents a meter. Okay. Every day, a food truck sets up, Every day, a food truck sets up at a location that is conveniently halfway between the entrance and the exit. Entrance and the exit. Plot and label the location of the food truck. So, I would definitely try as much as you can, and then use me when you get like pause, go, try, come back. All right, let's see. Well, exit's at 8, the entrance is at -8. So if I kind of go in and try to find the middle, that's just halfway between. So won't that just be at the middle and 0? So this is, what's this called? Food. After getting lunch from the food truck, you decide to head to the milk jug. Oh yeah, drink lots of milk before you go on an amusement park ride. Ugh. Give the coordinates of the halfway point. Explain how you know. All right, so here's food, here's milk jug. Is it like that? Well, here, let's try this. Look, if I go 1, 2, 3, 4, I go down 4. 1, so if I go down 4, what's half of that? 2. And then if I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Half of that is 4. So 2 and 4 meet up at here. And remember, the way that we label coordinates is we write the x first. The x here is 4. And the y here is -2. So, oh, it just asks us to write it here. So 4, -2. I will show a method that you don't need to count and look at the picture, but I like to do this visually because there's so much that we can do just looking at it. Are the bumper cars closer to the entrance, the darts, or the same distance from both? Are the bumper, so darts, entrance. Well, one way to do this is with the distance formula, but instead, why don't we just kind of count the spaces? So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Oh, so they're both going vertically 3. So that's the same. But this one's going 4 and this one's going 5. So it takes longer sideways to get to darts than it takes to get to entrance. So I'm gonna say closer to entrance. And if I was gonna write that, I would say it's 5 meters horizontally, which has the word horizon in it. And only 4 to the entrance. Wow, whoop, that's not how you spell wow. I-L-E. Both have a 3-meter vertical distance. So, 4 is less than 5. Smiley face. All right. A new ride, the Intimidator, will be built halfway between the milk jug and the Ferris wheel. Okay. Ferris wheel, milk jug. So if we want to find it says what's the x coordinate of the new ride? Well, so let's talk about this more mathematically than just visually, because it's going to be a little bit more annoying to draw this one. Ferris wheel's x value is 2. Milk jug's x value is 8. So what's halfway between 2 and 8? An easy way to do that is to average them. So 2 plus 8, and then divide by 2. That's how you average two numbers. If we wanted to average more numbers, we would add them up and divide by how many there are. But 2 plus 8 is 10, divided by 2 is 5. So the x coordinate is 5. It's going to be right along there. And if you look, yeah, 2, 8, there, splits it in half. What is the y coordinate of this new ride? Well, let's see. Ferris wheel's up at 7. Milk jug is down at -4. And this averaging trick actually works even with positives and negatives. So I would do 7 plus -4, which is 3. And then we'll divide that by 2. And we'll get 1.5. So the halfway point here is going to be here and then here at 5, 1.5. Intimidator. The Intimidator. Okay. Check. All right. The exit is exactly halfway between the Ferris wheel and where you parked your car. Give the coordinates of your parking spot. Oh. So we parked, here's Ferris wheel, here's our exit. Did it say we parked halfway between them? No, it's saying the exit is halfway between the Ferris wheel and where we parked. So we parked somewhere over here. Sorry. So the way we get there, well, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I went down 7. I'm going to call that -7. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 over. And so that's the halfway point. So I should just be able to do this again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's my car. Wait, but I need the coordinate of it. So exit is here. This coordinate is 8, 0. So I'm going down 7. That's that. So this will be -7. And then I'm going right 6. So I'll add 6 to my x coordinate and get 14. So 14, -7 is what I get for where I've parked. It's always good to mark where you park in your phone. So next time you go to an amusement park, you probably want to figure out the coordinate where you parked and put that in your phone. That way you know and you can find it later using this midpoint idea. I'm so funny. That was a joke. It was an amazing joke. So I'm going to write down the obvious. This is called midpoint. Midpoint is half. Wow, can I spell the word half? Halfway between 2 points. So there's 2 ways to do it. Two main ways. So here's one way. So like A, B, C, D. Count your rise, then count your run, and then divide both by 2. So the runs half goes here, rise half goes here. So that's the way we can do it visually. And there is a formula. So instead of looking at A, B, and C, and D, which we could do, we could do the formula with A, B, C, and D. They generally do this with, they as in the math world. We'll call this x1 comma y1, like the first x and the first y. And this is the second x, so x2 and y2. The way we handle it is we add the x's together and divide by 2. It's the average. And then we take the y's and divide by 2. And it's these two separate formulas. All right. So plot the midpoint of segment AB, then give its coordinates. So you can do this in either way, and it's going to work. So again, you should try these, see what you can handle, and then I'll go through it. I'll wait. No, just kidding. Okay. So if seriously though, go try it, pause, then come back. Let's see. Plot the midpoint of segment AB, then give its coordinates. All right. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So half of 8 is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So half of 5 is 2.5. 1, 2.5. There it is. So it looks like it's 1 and then 0.5. Find the midpoint between these. So again, you could draw this. You could draw it and then do the counting. Or you just use a formula. The x's are 4 and 8. So 4 plus 8 is 12. Divide that by 2. The x coordinate is 6. And do the same thing with the y coordinates. -7 plus 9. I haven't said this yet in my lessons this year. This kind of stuff, if you need a calculator to do 4 plus 8, you know you. If you need to do that, please do it. Don't be prideful and be like, oh, I should know this. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Like, if you're going to be counting every time, grab a calculator. Speed yourself up. We want to be able to do these things quickly. So if you can't look at 4 and 8 and go, oh, 12, -7 plus 9, oh, 2. If your brain's not doing that, I would love to spend time with you personally, like doing basic arithmetic like this. But this isn't the end goal of our course. This is, hey, school's already covered this. If you're not here yet, it's okay, use a calculator. So you can still do the deeper thinking even if you struggle with the basic arithmetic. All right, so 2, and then we'll divide that by 2, and we get 1. 6 comma 1. So that's my midpoint. All right. Give the coordinates of 2 endpoints whose midpoint does not have a whole number, x coordinate and y coordinate. Okay, well, I mean, if we're doing that, we need something where we don't get an even number, right? We have an odd number here, we get 2. So I just need things that are an odd number apart. There's a lot of options. And I'm trying to think about, I'm trying to save myself some effort. And one way you could do it is like plot a point and then count some odd number. So I'll count 1, and then I'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I know that those those don't have a nice one. So let's see, that's -3, comma, -2. And that's 2, comma, -1. But you could have picked anything. Like, you could even just pick 2 points that are right next to each other. Oh, wait, no, they're going to have whole numbers in one of the coordinates. And go like there, right? Then the midway point's in there. All right, let's see. Point M, 5, -7, is the midpoint of CD. If C is 2, -3, find the coordinates of D. So I'm going to do this both ways. I'm going to do this just solving it out without graphing it first, and then I'm going to show you how I would do this to graph it. So M's the midpoint. C is 2, -3, find the coordinates of D. So that tells me that, like, so this is X, comma, Y, right? So the midpoint of this, you would add the 2 X's together and divide by 2. What do you get when you do that? You get the midpoint, 5. And this is solvable, right? We can multiply both sides by 2. Cancels the 2 there. We get 2 plus X is equal to 10. And then subtract 2 from both sides and get X is equal to 8. And then we do that with the, let's see, with the Y's, right? -3 plus Y divided by 2 is equal to our Y coordinate of our midpoint. And so I can multiply that by 2. So -3 plus Y is equal to -14. And then add 3 to both sides and get Y is equal to -11. And so I got 8, comma, -11. Should be right. Oh wait, I have the answer key in front of me. I'm right. But another way to handle this would be to actually graph the points and count it out. And I thought I had some graph paper over here. Here, don't go anywhere. Back. Okay. Mr. Canfield, why don't you edit your videos? I'm just one person. All right, so we need 5, -7, and 2, -3. So I'm not quite sure where that's gonna be. I'll just slap this around the middle of my page. So 5, -7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And this is point M. And then 2, -3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So now it says point M is the midpoint of CD. Well, so then I can just go, let's see, 1, 2, 3. I went 3 over, so I'll go 1, 2, 3 over there. 1, 2, 3, 4. I went 4 down. 1, 2, 3, 4. I went 4 down. So now I can find this new point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the x coordinate is 8. Whoops, that's not how you write that. The x coordinate is 8. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11. Oh, down. -11. 8, -11. So there, I got it. Oh, wait, that's the answer I got a minute ago. Yeah, there's 2 ways to do this. And you are allowed to do whichever one you're comfortable with, because everyone's different. And there, that's fine. Okay, draw 2 segments of different lengths that both have M as a midpoint. Well, so all I gotta do, like, just do something. Maybe I'll go up 2 and over 1. A. So if I went up 2 and over 1, I'll just go down 2 and over 1 the other way. B. There's 1. I feel like this is... You just go the same way in both directions, right? You can just go like straight up and straight down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oops. Whee! You do that. You go over a couple, so maybe over 4 and up 1. Reverse that. 1, 2, 3, 4, down 1. Whee! And just keep drawing these all day. All right, well, I hope that was helpful. Hope it wasn't too intimidating. Okay, bye.